Hello, I'm Enchanted Moon, and welcome to my channel. I have a witchy unboxing for you. It's from SugarMuses, so I don't know if it's Midnight Muses or the SugarMuses box. So we're going to find out once I open it. Ooh, SugarMuses. Ooh. All right, so I'm gonna put this on the side. I'm gonna go over it at the end. So we have this beautiful fairy. Ooh, we have two beautiful fairies. Wow, those are beautiful. Stunning. And is with SugarMuses, they change everything every month to match their theme. So we have some pretty, looks like fruits and herbs, apothecary paper. So excited. Everything has like its little place. Everything's like perfect in there. So right on top we have our pretty oracle. And this is a pretty. Look at that. This is 5th house, joy and play. So this must be a new zodiac deck. I don't like to, everything's like perfect. So right off the bat, we have this pretty little bundle. Isn't that really pretty? It's gorgeous. And then we have 2 beeswax candles. Pretty red sachet tied in a perfect bow. Exciting. Getting there. Warmer weather's starting to come in, you know. It's getting exciting. Ooh, very pretty and different. Look at this. It's like white cord with some neutral color beads. We have a pretty fairy with a moon and a pretty I'm sorry, not rose quartz. Quartz, this regular quartz, clear quartz. And this netting, isn't that pretty? You can hang that somewhere, or maybe even in the car you can put that if you wanted. That is really pretty. Nice. Put that in my bag. Very pretty. On the side, we have Beltane organic tea. Pretty flowers and a pretty red. And a lot of tea in there. 2 ounces of tea. That's a lot. What else we got here? It's a big heavy item. And then we have pretty bag of hibiscus. Very nice size. We have a throwaway tea bag for our tea. Our incense this month is spring blossom. Oops, here we have. Excuse me. Fairy Rose is our perfume oil. And this pretty, always pretty label. We also have beautiful fairy milk bath salts. Another pretty label. Beautiful. And then we also have vervain. Big bag of that as well. All right. And then whatever's in this thing. It's very heavy, whatever's in here. So we'll see. Okay, let's see. Whatever this is, it's beautiful. And I didn't even take it out. What in my wonderful... I don't know. I just don't know. It looks like pretty wings of sorts. Oh, there's more to it. Okay, obviously. We have red. And white, but it has a thing, so let's see. Whoa, this is gorgeous, and this is heavy. So we have the beautiful, heavy, pewter. I'm going to guess this is, or I'm not sure what it is. Very heavy. Look at the detail on this fairy. Look at this. And then these, obviously, are going to go right here. Somehow. Go. Oh my, my. I don't know what is the best gorgeous view for that, but she is beautiful. Let me see if she stands, because she is heavy. Maybe you can adjust the wings. She sits. Okay, and she does have padding or something for the bottom of her, so I can glue that on. What are you guys doing? What are you doing? Being bad? What are you doing? What do you got? Did you bring something in you shouldn't? Oh, a bug? You brought in a bug in the house? Right? No, we step on a bug. I don't want bugs in the house. I'm gonna bring bugs in. Okay. Sorry, I got freaked out about bugs. All right. And on the beautiful, beautiful paperwork is a beautiful fairy, just like her. I don't know how she does that. I really don't. I say that every time. So sorry. My beautiful fairy. I'm going to put her down here. But I put her here, then she falls for some reason. Let me just... She must have to be on a solid surface. There. And maybe you can adjust her wings. All right, so everything in here is just absolutely stunning. Beltane is a fire festival to honor the returning sun. The earliest May Day celebrations appear with the Flora. I'm going to butcher the name, but it's a fairy. Floralia, Festival of Flora, the Roman goddess of flowers, held between April 27th and May 3rd. This year, Beltane falls on May 1st. The festival involved lighting bonfires, performing rituals to appease the gods and goddesses, and dancing around the maypole. Bonfires are a central element of Beltane celebration, symbolizing the light and warmth of the sun. And it has different correlations and other goodies with this as well. And then the items in the boxes are as follows. You can use them as listed or any way you choose. And absolutely stunning as always. So first she goes over the fairy milk salts. You can sprinkle some in your bath. You can also use the tea bag if you want. So the herbs go right into the bag and not down the drain. This contains sea salts, Epsom salts, dried hibiscus rose, and notes of milk powder, green tea, vanilla, and hibiscus. Beautiful. Spring bloom incense sticks. Has the elements of air and fire. The incense has notes of jasmine and lavender. This is good for a calming herb. Love and magic. Lavender is also good for promoting luck, psychic activity, and dream recall. Fairy Rose perfume has been blended exclusively for this month's box. Sugary rose petals and berries top midnight violets. Bottom notes are orris roots and powdered musk out of this magical oil. Ooh. Her perfume oils are absolutely lovely every time. Vervain. It's a favorite of the Fae alongside of hibiscus, elderberry, foxglove, clover, and bluebells, and fig, thyme, rowan, and honeysuckle. You can scatter around the home to promote peace and tranquility. You can also bury in the garden to put in your house to bring wealth. And the and ask a favor of the Fae. Then our hand-rolled beeswax candles this month. Fulfillment, empowerment, intention, acting in light. So these are used for element of fire this month. To promote serenity and peace. White is good for as well. And then, of course, the main here. Pewter, I was right. Stained glass fairy figurine. This beautiful statue was created out of solid pewter and features red and clear stained glass wings. Please use instructions below to attach the wings to the statue. Place the fairy statue in the center of your altar. And there's also instructions here. Holding the wings together with the right hand and begin to insert the wing tab into the back of the fairy while grasping the fairy body left. Press firmly into place. Release the wings. Adjust gently. Okay. So I just got to adjust the wings so they sit beautiful. But this absolutely is the most beautifulest thing I've ever did see. I'm just going to, I don't want to take them out again. No, I'm going to leave them in there. Okay, I'm just going to lay her flat so she don't get hurt. The hibiscus, which we know is also another fairy favorite. It's good for love, magic, psychic, dreams, tranquility, passion, and happiness. The dried floral offering contains botanicals and contains, I'm never going to pronounce that. Oh, also known as baby's breath. That I could say. Place in front of your altar of placed in front of your statue as an offering or use as a decoration for your altar. Then we get the Beltane organic tea. This contains elderberry. Fairies love berries. Elderberry with their petite size and magical pedigree are a fairy favorite. Elder is a goddess tree long believed to be the gateway to the underworld. Elderberry wine and elderberry tea are a fairy delicacy. So you can make a little dram pot and give it to your, leave out for the fairy. They also give you a bag you can use for for your tea here, or you can use it for your fairy milk. And you can use that tea quite a few times because it has a lot in there. Oh, crystal macrame card charm. Can be hung in your card or altar. Handmade macrame featuring a raw quartz crystal. Quartz is a stone for amplification and transmitting energy. It's also known to promote harmony, healing, protection, and can store your intent. Awesome. And then, of course, our beautiful art prints printed by Jen. It says Etsy. And then our card is from the Astro Cards Oracle deck that you can find on her website. When you think of the SugarMuses boxes for Beltane, oh my God. Another beautiful box. That's all I can say. Absolutely love it. I'll leave the information down below, guys. Thank you guys for watching.